monuments of the city and embankment. In front of the local municipality, we can see the monument, small sculpture to the Alexander Pashinsky, the mayor of the Kropyvnytsky city. At that time, it was called Elizavetgrad. It was at the end of 19th, beginning of 20th century. And there is very interesting inscription in Ukrainian language that from his side, I think, to solve the society, this is the main goal of life. I think this statement is very, very actual for our days. Next monument, this is monument to well-known Ukrainian Hetman Bogdan Khmelnitsky, but as we see and as I saw, that this monument, let's to say, a local municipality, local authority don't take care of this one. You can relate it by the video. This is Cossack Island, a small artificial island near the Ingul river. I heard a lot of about this island, but as we see, this area is required to be reconstructed, completely reconstructed. It has very big potentiality, but as we see, again, local authority don't take care of this area. I think when the war in Ukraine will be finished, I think this area can be improved, but of course it needs investment. And finally, embankment of Ingul river. Yes, it's in disaster, let's to say. No any investment, no any renovation, no any buildings. But I hope that finally, after 5-10 years, the Kropyvnytsky city and at least this area embankment will be one of the good quality or of the topest embankment in Europe. Really, I wish it.